Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo after posting. Unfortunately, the direct answer is you cannot do this. So once you've posted, your post is live and Instagram does not allow you to add a new photo or a video to it, whether it's a single image post or a carousel post. Now, you can edit the caption and add locations or tag people, but you cannot change the media itself. But don't worry, there is a very simple workaround that everyone uses, and I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. So first, open my Instagram. Now let's say make a post, maybe this one. Then click on Next, and now click on Share. Now wait for a few seconds, and now refresh. And as you can see, the post is now live. And if you click on the three dots at the top right-hand side corner of your post, you'll find few options, from which one of is the Edit option. And over you can see you can add people, add location, and captions, but you wouldn't be able to add an extra media. So whatever you do is click on the three dots and click on Archive. And you have to do this exactly after uploading new post. Now, again, click on the plus option and choose the photo that you want to upload. Like for example, if you want to add multiple media, select them right over here. Then click on Next and click on Next. Now click on Share, and now both of the media will be uploaded. So refresh your feed and they should appear right over here, as you can see. So that's it. This is the only method which you can use to add a photo after a post is already made. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to do this. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.